Hey Grace. What's up? Long time no see.
Oh, Fred. What a coincidence. Actually, I was going to call you.
Really? Is everything going well?
Yes, actually I am going to throw a party.
Wow, that sounds great. Is there a special reason?
Of course. Tomorrow is my mom's 40th birthday. I want to give a great party to her.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah. She deserves it. You know she worked hard to teach me and grow me up after my father passed away.
Yeah, I know. She loves you very much.
Of course. She was my shadow all this time.
That's right. She is very kind and courageous. Instead, she can cook well. I still remember the taste of her food.
Oh my god. Did you?
Of course. How can I forget it? She used to come to the field every Sunday with that delicious food.
Yeah. She used to like to watch me play football.
What a lovely mother she is.
Of course, she is.
By the way, did you arrange everything for the party?
Yeah. You must come on time. I also invited Neville to make a barbecue.
Awesome. He is best for making barbecue.
Absolutely.
Did you set the time for the party?
Yeah. Tomorrow morning.
Oh no.
Why? What's wrong?
I'm sorry, Grace. I'm not in a position to come tomorrow morning.
Why? What's the matter?
I have to go to the hospital to visit Michael.
What's wrong with Michael?
He met with an accident yesterday night. I must go there to bring lunch for him.
Oh, is that so? I'm sorry for Michael. I wish him to get well soon.
Me too. I'll come to see the auntie another day.
It's okay, Fred. Come when you feel free. Okay, I have to go now. See you.
Convey my regards to auntie. See you around.
Hello. Good evening.
Good evening, Grace. Here's speaking Fred.
Oh my god. Is this your new number?
Yeah. How about the aunt's birthday party?
It went well and my mom was pleased.
Oh really? I wish I could be there.
It's okay. By the way, how's Michael's condition? Is he well now?
He is pretty good now. The doctor said that there were no serious injuries.
That's awesome. Then he'll be discharged soon.
Not sure. Doctor said that his leg was fractured.
It's a pity for him.
Yeah, by the way, will you be home tomorrow?
Yeah.
Great. Then Andy?
She'll be at home also.
Awesome. I am thinking of coming to your house tomorrow.
Oh. That sounds great. My mom will be so happy. At what time will you come?
I'll come out about 4 p.m. Is that okay?
Yeah. No problem. Then we'll be waiting for you.
Okay, Grace. See you tomorrow. Bye.
Bye.